features to tasks. So far, you have looked at a number of products and facilities that are available to you to manage your day-to-day money. The checking account, savings account, and credit card have all been introduced. Each of these products has specific features that can help you to manage your money in a particular way. Because we have introduced these products separately, you should try to match the features of each product with the money management tasks we have identified. Take a look at this chart. It will serve as a reminder as to which products are available, and it will detail their main features. In addition, the main tasks we all have to perform are also listed. The aim is to give you a chance to match the features of each financial product with the tasks we have identified. The more correct tasks you match, the more your account will be credited, just like with the regular lesson assessments. Click and drag the task you wish to manage into the task box, for example, paying regular bills. Then select the appropriate product, followed by the feature of that product, which can be used to manage that task. That is, checking account, direct debit mandate. There, we've done the first one for you. This puts you in credit straight away. Continue matching the various tasks to the products and features and watch your wealth soar. You can't lose with this exercise, because as the system deducts money from your account, you are encouraged to try again. Go ahead and start showing what you've learned. Comparison with cash management. Hopefully you have learned about the availability and features of the financial products we have presented, and you are now in a strong position to make informed decisions about how you should manage your money. On the other hand, perhaps you are still skeptical about financial institutions and still think it's best to rely on close-to-hand cash. You might like to consider at this point that if it's easier to get at, it's also easier to get rid of. The aim of this topic is to help you to recognize the advantages and disadvantages of using financial products compared with managing day-to-day money in cash. The first thing to take into consideration is the risk factor. If you receive wages in cash, they aren't secure. You could lose them, they could be stolen, or you could simply spend them quickly. Organizing to have your salary paid directly into your account immediately eliminates much of this risk. Mistakes can be made, but you will have your pay slip and your statement, and you can cross-reference to ensure accuracy. Consider regular bills. We've already discussed the security a utility has. If you don't pay, you're cut off. Holding cash not only increases the work you do to manage bill payment, but the risk of spending your money before the bill arrives is a risk not worth taking. A short vacation could be more costly than you thought if you have no heating when you return home. If you pay rent, it may be a requirement that you pay in cash. One thing you do know about rent is how much it is going to be. It doesn't fluctuate. If it does, move. Because of this, it is perfectly acceptable to withdraw cash from the ATM to pay the landlord. Ask for a receipt and cross-reference this against your statement. A mortgage is an altogether different proposition. Mortgage payments span a considerable number of years, and significant sums of money are involved. The bank will not allow you to pay them in cash. You need a bank account to guarantee the payments. Remember, regular missed payments mean that your house will be repossessed. Cash is convenient as it is readily accepted everywhere. Trying to book a ticket on the web with a wad of cash, however, would prove to be a challenge. Can you think of any other situations where cash would be hard to use? You do need cash at times, but carrying large amounts of it around was never sensible and is no longer necessary. Banks provide a whole lot more than just checking and savings accounts. Such is the range of products available, it would be appropriate for you to take time to carry out a short exercise. Search the web for the website of a local bank, your own if you already hold an account. Find out what products, other than regular accounts, they offer their customers. Once you've learned what other products are available at the bank, answer these two questions. How difficult would it be for me to access these services and products if I kept all my money in cash? How difficult would it be for me to access these services and products if I had a well-maintained account with the institution?